You already know people once lived in caves, but did you know that people once also lived deep beneath the earth? In the heart of Turkey lies a secret hidden for centuries, a city carved from the earth itself. This is Derinkuyu, an ancient marvel of engineering and human resilience. Imagine a world under siege where invaders threaten your very existence. Where would you hide? For the people of ancient Cappadocia, the answer lay beneath their feet. In the soft volcanic rock, they carved out a refuge, a subterranean city capable of housing thousands. This wasn't just a network of caves. This was a city, complete with living spaces, stables, wells, and even places of worship. Generations of people lived, worked, and prayed in Derinkuyu, all while hidden from the dangers above. Join us now as we descend into the depths of Derinkuyu. We'll explore its ingenious design, uncover its secrets, and discover how thousands of people survived in this extraordinary underground world. This is Talk Travel. With Glenn, I am Glenn. This episode is about Derinkuyu. This underground city is a testament to human ingenuity and the will to survive. Crafted from the region's unique volcanic rock, the city descends deep into the earth, a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers connected by narrow passageways. The scale of Derinkuyu is staggering. With room for as many as 20,000 people, it's one of the largest and deepest underground cities in the world. It's believed to have been inhabited as early as the 8th century BC, with its most extensive use during the Byzantine era. Imagine spending your life hidden away in this subterranean world. What would it have been like to live, work, and raise families in the depths of the earth? How did they bring in fresh air and water? How did they defend themselves? Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the secrets of Derinkuyu, exploring its architecture, its engineering marvels, and the daily lives of the people who called it home. I'm going to take you on an underground journey back in time to a world hidden from sight, a world carved from stone. The city of Derinkuyu was strategically located in Cappadocia, a region known for its unique geological formations. The construction techniques involved carving into the soft volcanic tuff, which made it easier to create extensive underground networks. Ingenious ventilation shafts were designed to ensure a steady supply of fresh air throughout the city. Water was sourced from underground wells and stored in cisterns, ensuring a reliable supply even during sieges. The city was fortified with heavy stone doors and traps to protect its inhabitants from invaders. Derinkuyu also housed chapels and churches, reflecting the spiritual life of its residents. From communal kitchens to living quarters, every aspect of daily life was meticulously planned. Modern archaeologists continue to uncover new secrets, shedding light on the ingenuity of this ancient civilization. Join us as we explore the marvels of Derinkuyu, a city truly carved in stone. Derinkuyu wasn't built haphazardly. It was meticulously designed to maximize space and security. Imagine descending into the earth, the air cool and damp, the only light coming from flickering torches. As you venture deeper, the tunnels branch off in every direction, leading to different sections of the city. There are living quarters, complete with sleeping platforms carved into the rock, niches for lamps, and even spaces for storage. The ceilings are low, forcing you to stoop as you navigate the narrow passageways. The air is surprisingly fresh, thanks to a remarkable ventilation system. Large shafts, disguised from the surface, reach deep into the earth, bringing in fresh air and allowing smoke to escape. Water was also crucial for survival. Deep wells, some reaching over 180 feet, provided a constant supply of fresh water for drinking, cooking, and even livestock. The deeper you go, the more you realize the complexity of this underground city. It's a testament to the skill and determination of the people who built it. One of the most impressive features of Derinkuyu is its ingenious security system. Heavy stone doors, weighing up to 1,000 pounds, could be rolled into place to seal off sections of the city. These doors, operated from the inside, could withstand attacks from invaders and even prevent poisonous gas from entering. Narrow passageways, just wide enough for one person to pass, created choke points, slowing down any potential attackers and giving the inhabitants an advantage in close combat. Ventilation shafts, disguised from above, not only provided fresh air, but also served as listening posts. Guards could hear approaching enemies and alert the city's inhabitants. Even the layout of Derinkuyu was designed with defense in mind. The winding tunnels, dead ends, and hidden chambers created a confusing maze for invaders, while the inhabitants knew every nook and cranny. Derinkuyu wasn't just a place to hide, it was a fortress, a subterranean stronghold where survival depended on ingenuity and the will to resist. Imagine living hundreds of feet below the Earth's surface. The air is stale, heavy with the scent of humans and animals. How do you breathe? How do you survive? The engineers of Derinkuyu had a solution, a complex and efficient ventilation system that kept the city alive. Over 50 ventilation shafts, some as deep as 180 feet, connected the city to the surface. These shafts weren't just holes in the ground. They were strategically placed to catch the wind, drawing fresh air down into the city. The shafts also served another vital purpose, removing smoke. Fires were essential for cooking, light, and warmth, but smoke could quickly turn deadly in an enclosed space. The ventilation system, however, acted like a giant chimney, pulling smoke up and out of the city, keeping the air breathable. The ingenuity of the system is breathtaking. It allowed thousands of people to survive underground for extended periods, a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the time. Derinkuyu wasn't just a city, it was a fortress designed to withstand sieges that could last for months. The narrow, winding tunnels, some just wide enough for a single person, were more than just passageways. They were choke points, designed to slow down invaders and give the city's defenders the upper hand. Imagine being an attacker, entering this subterranean labyrinth. The darkness is suffocating, the air thick with tension. Every turn could lead to a trap. Massive stone doors, some weighing over a ton, were the city's ultimate defense. These doors, circular and set into the wall, could be rolled into place in seconds, sealing off sections of the city and trapping invaders. These rolling stone doors weren't just brute force. They were cleverly designed with a central pivot and a tapered shape that created a tight seal, making them nearly impossible to force open from the outside. The defenses of Derinkuyu tell a story of constant threat of a people forced to live underground to survive. Stepping into Derinkuyu today is like stepping back in time. The air is still heavy with the weight of centuries. You can almost hear the echoes of life, the murmur of voices. Imagine families huddled together, sharing meals, telling stories. Life in Derinkuyu was challenging but ingenious. Archaeologists have uncovered remnants of daily life. Oil lamps speak of evenings spent around flickering flames. Stables carved into the rock show the importance of livestock. Even in the depths of the earth, faith provided solace and hope. One of the most remarkable discoveries in Derinkuyu is a large cruciform shaped church. Its high vaulted ceilings and arched niches carved directly into the rock. This underground sanctuary, hidden from the outside world, served as a place of worship, offering a spiritual haven from the constant threat of invasion. Imagine the flickering light of candles illuminating the carved stone, the echoes of hymns sung in hushed tones, the sense of community and shared faith that must have filled this space. The church's presence in Derinkuyu speaks volumes about the importance of religion in the lives of its inhabitants. It served as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, faith could provide strength and resilience. The care and artistry evident in the church's design further underscore the significance of faith in this subterranean world, a testament to the enduring power of belief even in the face of adversity. For centuries, Derinkuyu served as a refuge from the storms of war. When invaders threatened, the people of Cappadocia would seek shelter within its depths. Imagine families hurrying through the narrow tunnels, their faces etched with worry. Once sealed inside, the massive stone doors would thunder shut, plunging the city into silence. Derinkuyu was a symbol of resilience, a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and survive. Today, Derinkuyu stands silent, its tunnels and chambers echoing with the memories of a bygone era. The laughter of children, the murmur of daily life, the hushed prayers of the faithful, all have faded into the mists of time. Yet, the city's legacy endures. Its ingenious design, its testament to human ingenuity and resilience, continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. Walking through its tunnels, one can't help but marvel at the skill and determination of its creators, who carved a city from the earth itself. Derinkuyu is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit can find a way to thrive. It's a testament to the power of community, of ingenuity, and of the enduring will to survive. As we emerge from the depths of Derinkuyu and step back into the sunlight, we carry with us a profound sense of wonder and a newfound appreciation for the enduring legacy of this extraordinary underground city. Derinkuyu, a testament to human ingenuity and survival, now faces a new challenge: the passage of time. The very elements that sheltered its inhabitants for centuries, the earth, the rock, the dampness, now threaten its existence. Moisture seeping through the porous rock weakens the walls, causing cracks and collapses. The delicate balance of temperature and humidity, once essential for preserving the city, is disrupted by the constant flow of visitors. To preserve this irreplaceable treasure, a dedicated team of archaeologists, architects, and engineers work tirelessly. Their mission: to halt the forces of decay and ensure that Derinkuyu continues to inspire awe for generations to come. It's a delicate dance, a balance between preserving the authenticity of the site and making it accessible to the world. They use cutting-edge technology to monitor the city's structural integrity, identifying areas of weakness, and implementing stabilization measures. Preserving Derinkuyu isn't just about reinforcing walls and controlling humidity. It's also about managing tourism's impact. Tourism raises awareness and funds, but threatens the city's fragile ecosystem. Visitors' breath, footsteps, and body heat contribute to site deterioration. Authorities limit visitors and design pathways to minimize impact. The goal is sustainable balance, preserving Derinkuyu for future generations. As we emerge from the depths of Derinkuyu, blinking in the sunlight, We carry with us more than just memories. We carry a profound sense of wonder, a newfound appreciation for the resilience of the human spirit. Derinkuyu is a powerful reminder that even in the face of adversity, humanity finds a way to adapt, to survive, to create. This subterranean city, carved from the earth itself, stands as a testament to the enduring power of community, ingenuity, and the will to live. It's a story that transcends time, connecting us to the lives and struggles of those who came before us. As we stand in the silence of its chambers, we can almost hear the echoes of their footsteps, the murmur of their voices, the whispers of their hopes and dreams. Derinkuyu challenges us to consider our own place in the grand tapestry of history. It reminds us that the challenges we face today, though seemingly insurmountable, pale in comparison to the hardships endured by those who sought refuge in this subterranean city. Today, Derinkuyu faces new challenges, not from invading armies, but from the relentless march of time. Preserving this fragile ecosystem requires a delicate balancing act. Ongoing research and conservation efforts are crucial. Using technology to monitor and manage visitor impact helps protect this treasure. Preservation goes beyond bricks and mortar. Sharing Derinkuyu's story fosters respect and responsibility. Let us ensure its legacy endures, inspiring future generations.